He's very famous. He's an actor. This guy. Now he have a movie. Impossible Love.
Possible love.
Why the movie name is Impossible Love?
Because it's impossible.
He's actor in Turkey.
Dragon Mart.
Ne bekliyor biz orada?
Temu.
Arkadaşlar şimdi Dragon Mart'a gidiyoruz. Hemen beni takip ediyorsunuz.
Çok yaşa.
Thank you abi.
Hasan Bey, Dragon Mart'ta hiç bulundunuz mu?
Hayır.
Bulunmak mı istersiniz?
Yani var mı öyle bir şansımız? Gidelim mi?
Hemen şimdi gidelim.
O zaman kalk.
Var mı işiniz aramanız? Taramanız?
Açıkçası var biraz da.
Varsa yapın o zaman.
Var 2 kişi var şu an. Halihazırda görüştüğüm 2 kişi var. Onu birazcık daha arttıracağız Ramazan'dan sonra.
So far so good.
Bugün Dragon Mart'a gidiyoruz. Ne yapacağız biliyor musun?
Ne yapacağız?
Göstereyim gel. Gördüğün gibi podcast odamız burası bizim. Bak böyle perdelerimiz var. Bunları da bu arada Dragon Mart'tan aldım.
Allah Allah.
Tabii yerler falan, zemin de Dragon Mart'tan. Bu masa buradan kalkıyor. Bu masa diğer odaya gidiyor. Burası böyle biraz daha relax bir moda giriyor. Televizyonumuz zaten hareket edebiliyor. Dikkat etmemiz gereken, mikrofonumuzu bu şekilde bağlayabileceğimiz bir masaya ihtiyacımız var. Bir de sofaya ihtiyacımız var.
Evet.
Bir koltuk buraya, bir koltuk buraya, bir tane de şöyle yatay mı olur? Ne olur?
Olabilir. Deri koltuk güzel böyle.
Ben içerideki koltuğu IKEA'dan aldım.
Tamam IKEA'ya mı gitmek istiyorsun?
I'm Syrian, but I will show you Turkish guy. If they don't do like this, it's not Turkish. Prices here is a bit cheaper than IKEA, and IKEA you can find everything, that's for sure. But the quality is not that good.
Let's see this shop. X Zotong Zing Tong.
But did we take the size for the room?
No.
Allah God.
And one coffee table maybe between.
Yeah, we need table.
And this is.
What about this?
You wanna do a podcast like this?
We can. Why not?
Bebeğim, sana ömrüm derim bebeğim.
Do you have this box? Estağfurullah. Why it's so expensive? Şimdi ben içine gireceğim, bağıracağım.
It's closed?
Ha? Hiç duyulmuyor ki, anlamıyorum oğlum, ne diyor?
15,000.
15.
Google, someone is selling 2,000.
Really? From China?
19,000, 20,000, 21,000 single one.
Hadi abi yalla. No, we need something colorful abi, like this. We need something colorful. This is so good actually. So good.
Yeah, it's very comfy.
Huh?
Oh, it's not nice.
How much this one?
950.
950.
Let's have a look.
950 ya. Which one is 1,200? Table. This one? Çok pahalı.
5300 lira çok.
pahalı.
Bak bu kafada bir şey lazım bak bu.
Dur abi aynen.
Kesinlikle bak. This is what we need. 3800 3'ü aynen set olarak 3800. Tanesi 950.
To find the cheap one, we spending money on the way. Nasıl? Beğendin mi?
And I'm telling you this is so important.
Ya beğendin mi?
Bence çok güzel.
Is it possible to get with 2,000? No?
3 hours later.
Bak bu da çok şık. This is original.
How is it? Did you like it?
It's okay, try it.
Oh, it's so tough. It's like a bench.
Ya bunların hepsi Golden Sun ya.
All golden sun same, yani all expensive. Guys, this is for real estate client. You're complaining this is expensive. Everything is getting expensive. I don't know why people they don't know that you are so famous in Turkey and they're not coming to take photos with you. He's very famous. He's an actor. This guy. Now he have a movie. Impossible Love.
Possible love.
Why the movie name is Impossible Love?
Because it's impossible.
He's actor in Turkey.
This guy, yeah.
Now new movie coming September 2025. Impossible Love. You know why? Everything is possible in love.
Allah Allah. The scenario is different, brother.
Thank you so much, brother.
Thank you. We will put your name in the movie.
$600. 650. 650 dirham.
How is it, Wasim?
So how much set
This one and single two, 2,700.
last for me?
200.
Ah, yeah, nice. What do you think? But how much last you will give me? Everything. He's an actor, huh, in Turkey.
2,400 can last.
Type for this.
Yeah, for this also.
How much?
We are only employee. No.
Type for this.
Yeah, also.
Nothing? Let's ask Sinan. Who's this? Your girlfriend?
No.
Boyfriend?
No.
Friend?
Yes. Tell me. It's nice.
It's good, huh? Why also this one? Because it won't get dirty.
Yeah.
Come, Mifat, take picture. He's very famous. Take picture. Look at him. Good price, wallah. Bro, 2,400 with delivery.
To see how is Dragon Mart, some Chinese products, how they selling in Dubai, and how to negotiate with the people. Because the first shop we asked for the cabin, they said 24,000. Another shop he asked for 35,000, right?
Yeah.
What I saw on the website, it's 4,000 only. It's coming from China and they selling it. Look at this profit. I have many clients, they doing something for Amazon, Shopify, and they earning too much money. They moving to Dubai because of taxes. They getting good profits and they're not paying tax. See you in next trip, inshallah. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Don't forget to like this video. Please follow us. And if you are interested to buy or move to Dubai, to buy something in Dubai,
I can negotiate for you.
he can negotiate for you.
Her şey mümkün. Gel.
If you're thinking to buy something in Dubai, you have to negotiate.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I didn't get to you. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you.